Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to remove background noises during call on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to remove background noises during call, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now from here, scroll down and tap on audio and visual. Now from here, scroll down and make sure you enable add voice isolation. Now once you enable this option, and if you receive a call or if you do a phone call, just like that, and if you swipe down from the upper right corner on the display and open the control center, you can find the phone control option. Now if you tap on it, you can change the microphone settings from standard to voice isolation. Just like that. And this is how you can remove background noises during call on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.